So here is how we can divide the iPad screen in two parts. So let me explain it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get into it. So at first we need to find the settings app and in here choose the multitasking and gestures. And currently from these modes, I have the full screen apps selected, meaning that only one app at a time can be used and the screen currently cannot be divided. But if you switch to the windowed apps, now you might have multiple windows laying on top of each other, and this is the way to use multitasking on the iPad. So just make sure you have the windowed apps selected. Now I'm going to come back to the home screen and we need to decide which apps are going to be the two which are going to be split and dividing my iPad. So for example, I'm going to start with the Files app. It's likely going to look like this in the full screen. So what you're going to do is to grab the corner in at the bottom right and make it smaller like this. So you can see we have the window right there. Then I'm going to choose another app, for example, the Photos, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to grab it from the corner like that. And then now I technically have two windows of two different apps on top of each other, and I can use them like this. So now I'm in the multitasking mode. However, if I want to specifically use up the whole screen and have it split exactly in the middle, I can grab the first window. You can see I grab it like this, the Photos, and I'm going to flick it to the right like this. Then I'm going to grab the other window and flick it to the left. Now they are taking up the exact full screen of my iPad, and I also have the divider in the middle so I can decide exactly how they're supposed to be split. And now the screen is divided into the two things. So that's how you can use it. Of course, you can also add more apps if you would want it to, right? It's just like the whole multitasking thing. So it works well on the iPad, but that's essentially how you can divide the screen into two parts for two different apps. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. If you would like to see more things regarding this, let me know in the comments and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.